everyone, I'm Enzo and welcome to our Plant of the Week. Today we will be talking about Ficus elastica, otherwise commonly known as the rubber plant. It is a tropical evergreen plant which is commonly grown in the UK as a houseplant. It's got gorgeous, thick, glossy, oval-shaped leaves, and oftentimes these leaves can sport beautiful different patterns of variegation, such as this Ficus tanicki variant and this pink variation as well. Now, rubber plants do prefer to be ideally in a chunky, light, airy, well-draining compost, and they do also prefer to dry out somewhat in between waterings. During the summer season or the growing season, you can water them somewhat moderately and then kind of cut back more in the winter, making sure that it dries out in between waterings. Similarly, during the summer season and spring season, you can also fertilize these once a month with a balanced liquid feed. Make sure as well to dust the leaves somewhat regularly, as they are large and will attract dust and therefore also pests. And the plants will also benefit from relatively good indoor humidity. And this can be done by misting the leaves. Similarly, a bathroom can also be a good location to put these. Now, the cut stems of Ficus elastica will often leak a sort of milky sap, which contains latex. So make sure to avoid these if you do have a latex allergy, and also wipe it up before it gets on the plants, as this will leave a sticky residue. Overall, rubber plants are a great, versatile, and somewhat forgiving houseplant that will add a lovely tropical touch to any room that they're in.